In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns in card.co. If you're building a landing page or a simple site and want content side by side like text next to an image or a features list beside a sign-up form, columns make that layout clean and easy. I'll walk you through the setup and share practical tips so your design looks balanced and professional. Start by opening your site in the card editor. You'll see your canvas in the center and a settings panel on the left. We'll create a dedicated space for columns by adding a container. Click the plus icon to add a new element and choose Container. Think of a container as a box that holds other elements and controls how they're arranged. With the container selected, look to the left panel and scroll until you find Layout. This is where you control how items inside that container are arranged. Change the layout setting to columns. As soon as you do, the container will switch from stacking items on top of each other to placing them side by side, giving you the structure you need. Now start filling those columns. Click the plus icon inside the container and add elements like text, images, buttons, icons, or forms. Place the relevant element into each column to build your layout. For example, you might put a headline and short paragraph in the left column and an image or a sign-up form in the right. Keep your content concise and related within each column so it feels cohesive. To fine-tune the balance, adjust the column widths. You can drag the divider between columns directly on the canvas for quick visual control. If you want more precision, use the width sliders in the left panel. Aim for proportions that highlight your key content, equal widths for a symmetrical look, or a wider main column if one side has more text. Finally, bring it all together with styling. In the container settings, use padding to create breathing room inside each column so text and images don't feel cramped. Set a background to add contrast. Light fills or subtle colors help separate sections without overwhelming your design. And use border or shadow sparingly to define edges and add gentle depth. Small adjustments here can dramatically improve readability and visual hierarchy. That's it. Add a container, switch its layout to columns, place your elements inside, tweak the widths, and polish the styling. Follow these steps and you'll have clean, flexible columns in Card that look great across your site.